Everybody, I am Dr. Suraj over here again with one more amazing student from Privolzhsky Research Medical University. So let me introduce her first. Hello Disha,
Hello,
how are
sir.
you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you doing?
Good, great.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
I am Disha Manoj Bhagat. I am from Vasai, Maharashtra and studying in 5th year in Privolzhsky Research Medical University.
Okay Disha, one more thing, as you are a 5th year student now,
Yeah.
how was your experience so far with Privolzhsky Research Medical University?
I am surprised to tell you, but it was quite good because as we know, as Indian students have this misconception that this university or university in Russia don't provide much education or anything, but it's totally wrong. I was taken by surprise that this university is quite good, the curriculum is good. Every 19 subjects that we have in FMG are taught here with well-experienced teachers, well-aged experienced teachers. We get to practice in hospitals and everything is pretty good. The clinical exposure is good, the theoretical part is good, and so far so good. Waiting for my FMG.
Just one more year to go, I guess?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And what is one message you want to give to those Indian students who have cleared their NEET or will be clearing the NEET in one attempt and still they will be waiting for the MBBS seat in India to get a government seat?
Yeah.
That maybe it's not possible with some low marks or some marks they must have not got in their NEET exam.
I'm sure everybody must be very scared and it's your right to be scared, but I am assuring you that if you take admission in Russia, especially Privolzhsky or any university that Sir suggests, I'm very sure that you will do just great, just amazing as you will do in India. There's no point of waiting and wasting your years there because you're attempting and you'll get more stressed out. So instead of doing that, you come here, you'll get much wider experience. You will have experience of doing MBBS in a foreign country with new students, new friends, and the curriculum is good. You will get all the subjects that your teachers teach in India here also. So there is no point of getting scared. Instead, come here, study, don't waste your years. You'll finish in 6 years, just 1 year extra. That doesn't matter if you're wasting your year in repeating and repeating. And one more message to the parents who think it is not safe for girls. It is much safe for girls. Our hostels have security. The country, the city which I stay in is safer even if you go out at 10 o'clock. So please don't be scared. That's the message I want to give you, and all the best.
Okay, that's nice. Very good experience what you have shared with us.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Disha, and all the very best for your future.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
once
Thank
again.
you.